Phosphorescent material means the material that emits the absorbed radiation at once. For example, zinc sulfide. Now, what is the use? In the discovery of electron, we learnt about the cathode ray discharge tube experiment. So, there we studied that the electrons are emitted from cathode. When these emitted electrons are made to pass through on the perforated anode, that means having a small hole. Behind this anode, we have for phosphorescent material, that is zinc sulfide. Suppose the electron hits on the phosphorescent material, it glows only once. From this, we can feel the presence of electron because we cannot see the electrons in our naked eyes. Definitely not possible. But the presence of these subatomic particles can be observed by making use of this phosphorescent materials. So that is the advantages in chemistry. Thank you.